We ready? Dictation start after 5 seconds. As you might be aware, the Foreign Contribution Act 1976 was enforced with effect from the 5th August 1976 with the primary objective of regulating the acceptance and utilization of foreign contribution or foreign hospitality by certain persons or associations so that they may function in a manner consistent with the values of our sovereign democratic republic. Stop. Sanction 9 of this act restrict legislators, office bearers of political parties, government servants and employees of corporations from accepting foreign hospitality while visiting any country outside India, except with the prior permission of the government. Stop. The underlying intention is to ensure that persons of these categories who work in important areas of national life do not fall prey to inducement like foreign hospitality, which could be exploited by interested agencies for activities detrimental of national integrity and development. Paragraph. This ministry often receive requests from various electricity board for permission under the FCRA to their engineers and officers for accepting foreign hospitality extended by contractors or their foreign collaborators within whom orders for execution of certain jobs have been placed. It has also been observed in such proposals that generally the agreements entered into with firm contain clause providing for such visits at the cost of the contractors or of their collaborators. Stop. We feel that the engineers and officers who accept free foreign hospitality may become obliged to the contractors and they may not then be able to exercise their free judgment while officially dealing with the contractors. Stop. The contractors, on the other hand, may exploit such situations to their maximum benefit by offering lavish foreign hospitality and thereby influence the officers to take decisions in their favor. Stop. Such trend tend to defeat the basic objective of the Foreign Contribution Act and ought to be discouraged. Paragraph. In order to obviate occurrence of the nature indicated above and to ensure that officers engage in nation building activities function objectively, it is necessary to keep these functionaries free from obligation. Stop. We therefore suggest that you may consider advising the electricity board to bear cost of international travel in respect of their engineers and officers deputed for testing in a foreign country and not be wholly dependent upon the contracting firms. The receipt of the communication may please be acknowledged. Paragraph.